Okay, attention coaches and wrestlers. A format for medals. After the 165-pound match, we'll take all the wrestlers to that stage in the back room, line you up, present the medals, and bring you out to the stand. This is different, so pay attention.
Get your head out!
All medal awards will be presented at the conclusion of the last heavyweight match. We will line you up in the back room after 165 and medals after the heavyweight match.
This one's yours, Ben!
Remember, fans, Hater 6, the official photographer of the AIA, is here taking photos of all the championship matches. Hater 6, Hater with it live, Picks.com. Images will be posted by Wednesday, February 22nd. Remember the time and that it will make it easier to find those photos. HaterPicks.com.
Okay, when the mat opens up, next day the mat by division, they will send out the next wrestlers. The wrestlers and coaches will come out. When the match before you has been completed, they will send out the next pair of wrestlers.
You, Benny, you!
younger. Head coach, Anthony Clough, AIA Section 10. First at Jim Ryan Memorial. First at NDRTC Preseason Classic. First at USA Canyon Del Oro. First at Canyon Youth Freestyle. 2022 Fargo Qualifier. 2022 AIA Sectional Runner-Up. Savannah Aguirre of Younger up now at 107.
He will face Diana Castaneda of Sunnyside. He was first in our line and also a former world championship. 107.
D2 to mat 4 immediately. The Division 2 to mat 4 at 113 pounds. D2 mat 4, 113, Gabriel Ramirez of Canyon View. 3, 1, and 3. Two-time section champion. 22 state champion. First at Liberty. First at Lloyd Wells. Fifth at Reno. 22 USA Folk Style All-American. 22 USA Wrestling Freestyle and Global All-American at 113 pounds. From Canyon View, Gabriel Ramirez.
Copeland, Central Reno. Katie, 44 and 4.